presence. So ladies and gentlemen, why this evening is very special? So we are celebrating the Young Entrepreneur Awards, यानी कि हम celebrate कर रहे हैं young talent, young vision और young inspiration को. When I say that, trust me ladies and gentlemen, आज आप कुछ ऐसे नए नामों के बारे में जानेंगे, इनफैक्ट young नाम के बारे में जानेंगे, जिनके बारे में सुन के हम सबको लुधियाना का पार्ट होने में और भी ज़्यादा प्राउड फील होगा. इन द लिस्ट ऑफ आवर अवॉर्डीज यहाँ पे कुछ नाम ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने केवल 4 साल की उम्र में बहुत सारे माइलस्टोन और बेंचमार्क सेट किए हैं. वी ऑल्सो हैव सम वेरी प्रेस्टिजियस पर्सनालिटीज हु आर गोइंग टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द अवॉर्डीज, जिन्हें हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने भी रिकॉग्नाइज किया है फॉर देयर वंडरफुल वर्क. सो ट्रस्ट मी ऑन वन थिंग, दिस इवनिंग इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी स्पेशल फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. लेकिन इसे थोड़ा सा और स्पेशल बनाने में मुझे आप सबकी एक छोटी सी सपोर्ट की जरूरत है. आपने हमें अपना कीमती समय दिया है, वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. लेकिन हमारे यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को थोड़ा सा और अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए वी नीड टू ब्रिंग अ लॉट ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट एंड एनर्जी. विद दैट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वंस अगेन आई रिक्वेस्ट you all, please take your seats, make yourself comfortable. Just in next 1 minute, we are going to welcome our chief guest for this evening, and we are going to start this. And with that, here's the time to welcome our chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a thunderous round of applause to welcome among us a leader whose dedication to public service and community development is truly commendable. It is an honor to welcome here our chief guest, Shri Sanjeev Arora ji, Cabinet Minister, Government of Punjab Industries and Commerce, Investment Promotions, NRI Affairs. हम सभी पंजाब से हैं, तालियों की आवाज थोड़ी सी और जोरदार होनी चाहिए जब हम चीफ गेस्ट की बात करें. We are so delighted to welcome our chief guest of this evening, Shri Sanjeev Arora ji. I request gentlemen to please take his seat. Also, ladies and gentlemen, shortly we are going to welcome the second chief guest of this evening, Mrs. Amrita Vareng ji, who is going to join us very shortly. We also have here with us two very special guests of honor, जो कुछ ही पलों के इंतजार के बाद आज की इस evening के लिए हमें join करेंगे. Deputy Commissioner Ludhiana, Mr. Himanshu Jain, who is the youngest administrator of Punjab. He is going to join us very shortly. Shortly, Commissioner of Police, Mr. Swapan Sharma, is going to join us. बट बिफोर दैट एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत करते हुए आज की शाम को थोड़ा सा और आगे बढ़ाते हैं. सो दिस इवनिंग इज वेरी स्पेशल. मैंने आप सबको बताया हमारे सभी यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, इनमें से किन किन को फाइनल करना है, ये भी एक काफी टफ टास्क था क्योंकि 200 से ज्यादा एप्लीकेंट्स आए थे हमारे इस अवार्ड सेरेमनी में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए, और ये टफ कॉल लिया है हमारे कुछ ब्रिलियंट ब्रेन्स ने. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू टेक अ मोमेंट टू इंट्रोड्यूस आवर एस्टीम्डली distinguished and very respectable jury members. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big round of applause for the gentleman who is a strong pillar of Young Entrepreneur Awards. जब मैं ये कह रही हूँ, I actually mean it, क्योंकि not just the jury member, उन्होंने इस इवेंट को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए हमारी टीम का बहुत सपोर्ट किया है. So he is indeed a big pillar for Young Entrepreneur Awards. We are so very grateful to have Mr. V.K. Goyal as our jury member. Can we please give him a thunderous round of applause? Mr. V.K. Goyal, management professional, former president, Ludhiana Management Association, also trustee and management committee member of Kundan Vidya Mandir, our biggest support and our mentor. In the list of our jury members, the next name that we have is Dr. P.J. Singh, who is CMD of Thainor Orthotics. Can we please give him a round of applause? The next jury member is Ms. Harpreet Kang, who is Dean PCTE Ludhiana, President Ludhiana Management Association. In the jury members, the next name is Mr. Ashwini Kumar, who is the MD, Victor Forging, immediate past president of PEO. Also, Mr. S.C. Ralan, who is the MD, Sri Tools Industries Private Limited and president of PEO. और इसी के साथ आगे चलते हुए हम सभी हिंदुस्तानी हैं. हमारे हिंदुस्तान की परंपरा, हमारे कल्चर की हिसाब से हम किसी भी काम की शुरुआत भगवान के नाम के साथ करते हैं ताकि वो काम बिना किसी विघ्न, बिना किसी अड़चन के पूरा हो. As we Indians believe in Vakratund Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurme Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. So to begin this very special evening, now I would like to request our chief guest, Shri Sanjeev Arora ji, please come forward to light the lamp. And to accompany gentlemen, we have one very special guest here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please have a thunderous round of applause for Sandhya Arora ji? इनके स्वागत के लिए भी एक बार जोरदार तालियां. And to light the lamp, I request our jury member, Mr. V.K. Goyal ji, please come forward. I request Sanjay sir, Nitin sir. I request Sanjeev Pawaji from Ralston Tires to please join us for lighting the lamp. Mr. J.R. Singhal, so please come forward. I also request Mr. Rajneesh Ahuja ji. Ganesh Vandana music in background.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भाल गणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Now, gentlemen, I request you all, please pose for a group photo.
गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय
Thank you very much.
गुरुदैवताय
So, गणेश वंदना के साथ हमारी आज की शाम की शुरुआत हो चुकी है, लेकिन बात जब होती है नॉलेज और विजडम की, तब बात की जाती है सरस्वती माता की। और आज की इस इवनिंग को आगे बढ़ाने से पहले, नाउ लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वी आर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट अ सरस्वती वंदना परफॉर्मेंस फॉर एवरीवन प्रेजेंट हियर। आई रिक्वेस्ट आवर परफॉर्मर, प्लीज जॉइन मी ऑन स्टेज। एवरीबडी, प्लीज ड्रॉ योर अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स स्टेज।
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर शेंदुराची कंठी सडके माल मुक्ता फळाची जय देव तेरा ही नाम पुकारू।
सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, सोन दिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को। हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को। जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव।
That was the best start of this evening. Thank you very much. And before we move ahead further, we would like to take a moment to welcome our very special guest. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause to welcome IAS Pragati ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am, for gracing this evening with your presence. और आगे चलते हुए एज दे से नथिंग इज मोर प्रेशियस देन योर टाइम, और खास तौर पे हमारे सभी मेहमान जो यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं, आपका समय वाकई में बहुत कीमती है। आप सब ने हमें अपना प्रेशियस टाइम दिया, आप सबका वेलकम करने के लिए एंड टू टेल अस मोर अबाउट दिस इवनिंग, आई वुड नाउ लाइक टू कॉल ऑन स्टेज विद अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज आवर एडिटर इन चीफ फ्रॉम जनहितैषी एंड यू टर्न टाइम्स, मिस्टर संदीप शर्मा। कैन वी प्लीज हैव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर जेंटलमैन? वेलकम सर। I request the team of Nirvana Hotel 5 मिनट के लिए प्लीज सर्विस बंद कर दीजिए।
So good evening, namaskar, sat sri akal and adab. Young Entrepreneur Awards. दोस्तों, कोविड कोई भी उससे अछूता नहीं रहा। अगर बात करूं तो उस समय एक नारा हम सब के सामने आया था, आपदा में अवसर। तो जनहितैषी यू टर्न टाइम एक उसी की उत्पत्ति है, आपदा में अवसर। उस समय जो एक दौर चला जहां हमने ये देखा कि लोगों ने अखबार पढ़ना बंद कर दिया, लोगों ने टीवी चैनल्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूज़ देखी, बहुत सारी अपडेट्स इस तरह से आ रही थी कि जिस पे भरोसा इग्नोर भी नहीं किया जा सकता था और भरोसा करना भी बहुत मुश्किल था। उस समय बहुत सारे लोग जो जिनसे हम जुड़े हुए थे, जिनसे मैं पर्सनली जुड़ा हुआ था, तो उनके सुबह शाम कॉल्स आना कि क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि एक छोटी सी इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ज़्यादा फियर फैक्टर क्रिएट कर रही थी। तो उस समय कुछ आप ही में से बैठे कुछ भाइयों ने, कुछ सपोर्टर्स ने एक सजेशन दिया कि इंफॉर्मेशन कोई ट्रू इस तरह का प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट किया जाए कि सही इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंचे, क्योंकि उस समय एक गलत इंफॉर्मेशन का बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा था, फियर फैक्टर बहुत बढ़ रहा था। तो उसी आपदा में अवसर को तलाश करते हुए एक कोशिश जो जनहितैषी के नाम से शुरू की गई कोविड के टाइम पे, और उसी जर्नी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए जैसे जैसे चीज़ें सामान्य हुई, 2014 जनवरी 2000 कहा जाए 22 को हमने जब मकर संक्रांति, जो हमारे सनातन धर्म में, हमारे भारतीय संस्कृति में बहुत बड़ा दिन माना जाता है, तो उस दिन हमने ये यू टर्न टाइम को लॉन्च किया। आप सब जो मेरे सामने बैठे हों, इनमें से बहुत सारे सपोर्टर्स, बहुत सारों के आशीर्वाद, हिडन सपोर्टिंग के साथ आज ये कारवां बढ़ते हुए लगभग आज यू टर्न टाइम को 3 साल हो चुके हैं। जब 3 साल हुए तो सोचा गया कि अब नेक्स्ट क्या। अक्सर बहुत सारे आप में से बैठे हैं, मैं किसी का नाम इसलिए नहीं ले रहा कि सभी यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट है, किसी एक का नाम लेके मैं अन्य जो मेरे और सपोर्टर्स हैं, ये जो भाई हैं, बंधु हैं, सगा हैं, वेल विशर्स हैं, तो मैं किसी को भी ये नहीं कहना चाहता कि कौन ज़्यादा कौन कम है, लेकिन सभी उतने ही वैल्यूएबल हैं। उस समय ये सोचा गया, उन्हीं से सीखा गया। बहुत सारे इनमें से हैं कि जिनके साथ मेरा कोई बिजनेस नहीं है, लेकिन मैं उनके साथ कॉल करके शायद मंथ में 2 बार कॉफ़ी पीने जाता हूँ, क्योंकि उनसे कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। और बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं जो बहुत बुद्धिजीवी हैं, लेकिन उनसे डिस्कशन इस तरह की मोड होती है कि उस डिस्कशन में वो बहुत कुछ सिखा जाते हैं, और सीखने को ये मिलता है कि सामने बैठी हस्तियां इतनी खुद अचीवर्स हैं कि उनसे कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, लेकिन जब उनकी हलीमी, उनकी डाउन टू अर्थ का जब देखने को मिलता है तो लगता है कि अभी तो कारवां बहुत बाकी है, हम तो कहीं पहुंचे ही नहीं है, हमारी शुरुआत है। और जो लोग कुछ अचीव कर चुके हैं, अगर वो डाउन टू अर्थ ऐसे हैं तो हमें तो अभी बहुत शुरुआत करनी है। तो उसी शुरुआत की है कि हमें लगा कि कुछ यंगस्टर्स के लिए किया जाए, क्योंकि आज टेक्नोलॉजी का युग है। टेक्नोलॉजी एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जिसने बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस को रिवैम्प कर दिया, चाहे वो मीडिया इंडस्ट्री हो या कुछ भी हो। आईक्यू बदल दिया दुनिया का। अगर मैं बोलूं तो कोविड में जो आईक्यू है वो हर एक किसी का बदला, हर एक की इंडस्ट्री को लेके बदला। सो सभी ने एक रिवैम्प किया। तो हमें लगा कि बहुत सारे जो यंगस्टर्स हैं वो आईटी को लेके बहुत आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। हमारे लुधियाना से भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं। तो आज हमने फिर ये कोशिश करी कि हम ये एक यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स अवार्ड लेके आए, क्योंकि आज प्लेटफॉर्म्स में भी बहुत सारी एडजस्टमेंट्स होनी शुरू हो गई हैं, मैनेजमेंट शुरू हो गई हैं। इवन मैं कोई गुरेज नहीं करूंगा ये कहने में कि हमें भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये पूछा, और शायद हमें बोलने में गुरेज था, लेकिन सामने वाले से ऑफर करने में कोई गुरेज नहीं था कि क्या इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आने के लिए हमें कुछ पे करना पड़ेगा या कुछ भी एक्सेट्रा तरह के हमें बहुत सारे ऑफर्स मिले। लेकिन हमने एक टैगलाइन जो आप ही लोगों में से सबसे सीखी है कि वी ऑनर टैलेंट नॉट ट्रांजैक्शंस। सो उसी पाथ पे चलते हुए, उसी को आगे फॉलो करते हुए आज हमने ये एक आयोजन करने का कोशिश किया। हमारे वर्दी सर आज जो चीफ गेस्ट हैं, संजीव अरोड़ा जी, इनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। जैसे कि इन्होंने एक चीज़ मुझे लेसन सिखाई कि हम ये बोलते हैं मीडिया वाले लाइन में थोड़ा सा हमें एक आदत है, मतलब आर्म ट्विस्टिंग की या नेगेटिव प्रोफाइल थोड़ा सा दिखाने की। लेकिन इन्होंने मेरे को लाइफ में एक लेसन सिखाया कि अगर कोई अच्छा कर रहा है तो उसको ज़रूर बताओ, क्योंकि उससे उसको मोटिवेशन मिलती है और शायद वो उससे और अच्छा करेगा। तो ये लाइन इन्होंने मेरी लाइफ में ऐड करी। इसी तरह हमारे और बहुत सारे यहाँ पे डिग्निटरीज हैं। वीके गोयल सर जो जूरी में, जिन्होंने हमें बहुत सपोर्ट करी, क्योंकि अवार्ड कहते हैं ना कि करना, सोचना एक डिफरेंट है और पथ पे चलना, उस मार्ग पे चलना बहुत मुश्किल है। सो इनको देखते थे कि ये एलएमए के अवार्ड्स कैसे करवाते थे, लेकिन जब हमने कॉल करी और ट्रांजैक्शन, इतनी एप्लीकेशंस आ गई तो सोच में पड़ गए कि अब क्या करें। तो भागते दौड़ते इनको फ़ोन किया और इनसे रिक्वेस्ट करी कि सर अब हमने तो अनाउंस कर दिया, अब इसको संभालो। तो फिर वीके सर ने आगे बढ़ के एक बड़े भाई की तरह, एक प्रोफेशनल की तरह हमें जो है इसमें हैंड होल्डिंग करी। सो आज वो यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जिनको आज अवार्ड मिलेगा, बहुत सारे भाइयों में से यहाँ से पूछा, किसी कईयों ने फ़ोन करके कि किसको किसको मिल रहा है। सो मैं सच बताता हूँ कि मुझे भी नहीं पता किसको किसको मिल रहा है। आज अभी तक मुझे भी नहीं पता था। ये जूरी जो वीके सर ने जिम्मेवारी ली, सबसे कठिन काम था वो इस अवार्ड का, वीके सर के उस पे शोल्डर्स पे था, तो वही बताएंगे। मैं आप सबका वेलकम करता हूँ, खास करके हमारे बीच में आईएएस प्रगति मैम भी हैं, पहुँची हैं स्पेशली शॉर्ट नोटिस पे। सो उनका भी वेलकम करता हूँ। संजीव पावा सर रालसन से जो हैं उनका थैंक्स करता हूँ, जो ऑलवेज मतलब एक हिडन सपोर्टर रहे हैं हमेशा। जे.आर. सिंगल सर जो स्पेसिफिकली पहुँचे हैं। सो अमरीश सर जो कंगारू से हैं और स्पेसिफिकली आए हैं हमेशा, एक से एल्डर ब्रदर, इन्होंने हमेशा कप ऑफ टी मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें गाइड करी हैं। इंडस्ट्री में क्या पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए वो कुछ सीखने के लिए इनसे मिलता है। रजनीश हुजा जी जो कहने को फादर फिगर हैं लेकिन हैं बड़े भाई की तरह, हर बात उनसे की जा सकती है। सो मैं अभी आज सबका आपका वेलकम करता हूं और मैं डाइस एमसी मैम को दोबारा देता हूं कि वो अब नेक्स्ट इसको संभालें अपनी ड्यूटी को। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for setting the context for this evening. सो जैसे कि सर ने बताया, मोर देन 200 एप्लीकेंट्स, इतना मुश्किल रहा हमारा जूरी के लिए ये जॉब। इनमें क्या क्या क्राइटेरिया इन्होंने ध्यान में रखे और किस तरह से इन्होंने हमें ये स्पेशल अवार्डीज जो हमारे यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, ये अवार्डीज के नाम दिए, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा और ब्रीफली बताने के लिए अब मैं हमारे जूरी मेंबर्स में से एक मिस्टर वी के गोयल जी, सर, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड एंड टेल अस मोर ब्रीफली अबाउट द अवार्ड्स। कैन वी प्लीज हैव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर जेंटलमैन। Welcome again, sir.
Chief guest of the evening, our dearest Shri Sanjeev Arora ji, Cabinet Minister for Industry, Investment Promotion and NRI Affairs, Government of Punjab, dignitaries present from the industry, Madam Pragati IAS, Assistant Commissioner, award winners, their family members, and my dear friends. Before I talk about the functioning of the jury, let me first share with you as to how the idea of instituting awards came up. It was about 2 months ago that Sandeep ji called me up in the afternoon and he said, if you have some time, I would just like to come over to you. I welcomed him immediately, and he straightway started with the proposal that I want to have a system whereby we are able to honor people who are performing well, who are doing something off the beat rather than doing normal work, and more so with the greater emphasis on the young individuals. I myself, being a supporter of people who do well in life, those who walk an extra mile, those who face challenges, and those who try to do difficult things and don't easily give up in life, I always stand by such people. And I was instantly pleased to tell Sandeep that Sandeep could not be a better thing to do than this, because this will help the society at large, this will encourage young talent, and this will multiplier effect that will come with this effort, and therefore don't think even for a moment. But then please be guarded against the fact that the awards have to be very judiciously given. There can be errors of judgment, but there should not be any deliberate attempt to ignore some people or to bring in some people for awards. The moment that kind of thing happens, this will only lead to loss of credibility, and the awards will lose their significance altogether. He instantly told me that, well, awards have to be started. The way they have to be started, you decide. We will have a jury of 5 people wherein no interference will be there from anyone from Jan Hiteshi or U-Turn Times, and that will be the baby of that jury only. So I said to him that, okay, let's go ahead with this. So I think rest is all known to you, that how they were announced, and they said that the year 2025 Young Entrepreneur Awards were announced by Jan Hiteshi. And I am personally very happy to be here among the award winners and among all the leading people of Ludhiana, and foremost Shri Sanjeev Arora ji, that it's a great privilege and happy occasion for me to be present on this momentous occasion where we are going to honor some of the people, especially young people who have done extraordinary work. And these young people are not being honored only for their own personal achievements or their organization's achievements, but I think more for their courage, their creativity, and they're moving away from convention. These people have taken up the task which not many people are doing. Normally when we talk about people in business, we talk about normal industries, or we talk of more manufacturing units. But then here we have tried to bring in people from diverse areas, which are very emerging areas today, because industry is not confined only to the manufacturing. We have many, many areas coming up. Therefore, it was absolutely apt that we looked at all areas. And I personally feel that honoring young people is more challenging than the established people, because established people are known, people know about their credentials, people know about their achievements. But when it comes to younger people, sometimes we can just write off by saying that the turnover is very small, or the work is very small, or the gentleman or the lady has been in business only for a couple of years. I think we had to cross all those limits. We did not allow those limits to come in our way, because I felt, and rest of the people in the jury also felt, that it is the young people whose spirit is driving the Indian industry, and not necessarily in manufacturing, but in the other areas also. It is their resilience which is helping the Indian economy to build up, and the people are really contributing to make India of the future. I think that's what's most important. We also deliberated amongst ourselves that why it is important to let people know as to why awards are significant in our society. Our first and foremost was that awards are one way in our society to honor merit, honor people who have done well, and therefore the society owes that kind of responsibility that people who do well, they must get some awards, because it's again infectious. These people not only get awards for themselves and get motivated, but they also inspire the rest of the people that they can also do well, they can also get laurels, and they can also move ahead in their life. And this is how we thought about it. And when it comes to deciding the winners for this today's program, we had many applications. In fact, we had more than 200 nominations. Many cases were nominated by people other than those interested in these awards, and many of the people also applied on their own. And we also tried to look at as to who could be the other aspirants in this category, and therefore Sandeep even pushed the date for a few days, that let more people become aware about it and let more people come and join the competition. And we had a very difficult task, because picking up about 2.5 dozen people out of more than 200 people, it was very difficult, especially when the people who got these awards are not known faces. We did not know many people. In fact, we had to make sometimes telephone calls to some people. We told some people in Sandeep's office to make calls and get their credentials, get more details than what they were providing us. So as a result, we wanted that we should be doing something on the basis of the real facts. We looked at age of people, we looked at their experience, we looked at their background, we looked at the family support received by them. We also looked at the kind of business they have taken up. We also looked at as to what kind of difficulties they are facing, because most often what happens that many people are already afraid of taking up the difficult jobs, because most of the people that we looked at were those who preferred to innovate rather than following only convention. They were the people who saw opportunities in challenges. They were the people who were prepared to stand tall, while other people, even experienced or people with long kind of working experience, were not willing to stand that kind of pressure. They would get themselves blown in the winds. So keeping all these factors in view, we had a look at all the applicants. We did first round. We could slash it by more than 50%. Then came the second round. Then we brought it down from 90 to about 70. And slowly we came down to a figure of little over 30. That is the way that we went about. It was a very tough, very difficult task. But then I personally, being in that position, I had little more time at my disposal. So we could spend that time in picking up the right kind of people. Well, I must acknowledge that while as a jury, we have delivered our judgment, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it is a justice to everybody. There could be some flaws in the judgment. Judgments are always based on certain facts, certain knowledge, and certain understanding of the issue, which could be slightly different from what the other people expect. But then we thought that it was our responsibility. We have to deliver the judgment. And if we have made some errors in the process, we stand excused, because we are also getting a little more experience. Maybe next time when these awards come in, we'll be able to spend more time. We'll be able to go more into deep in depth and bring about the best out of it. So on this occasion, I would like to, in advance, compliment and congratulate all the award winners who have come here with their family members. And first and foremost, I'd like to compliment Sandeep ji and his team. They've done an excellent work, and Sandeep ji in particular, because his someone who's very enthusiastic. He's always looking for something new. He's always working very hard, and he's always a source of motivation within his own team. And along with him, then Nitin Kapoor ji, their marketing head, also worked very hard. He worked overtime. He visited my place a number of times. And I was also equally responsive to him that you must come anytime, every time. And let's give it more and more strength that we bring about the best out of the applications that we have. So on this occasion, I once again thank all of you for coming here in good numbers, and all the award winners, and my best wishes to them, with the request that don't stop here. Awards are always continuous in life. The more you work, the more you get. But the reward for hard work is more work. The reward for success is more work. So from here on, you have to work harder, you have to work more, and you have to work smarter. That is the way that you can move ahead in life and make greater contribution to your city, to your motherland, and to your country. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. And with this, I leave the stage for the MC, Anya ji. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words, for taking us through these wonderful insights of the award ceremony, and also for all the help and support that you showed for this special evening. With that, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start with the much awaited moment. Now we are going to start the Young Entrepreneur Awards, and for this very special moment, first of all, I would like to call on stage our chief guest. Once again, let's have a huge round of applause for Shri Sanjeev Arora ji. हम लुधियाना में हैं, हम पंजाब में हैं, और 2-4 तालियों के साथ अगर हमारे चीफ गेस्ट स्टेज पे आएंगे तो बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. And to complete this moment, I also invite with a huge round of applause IAS Pragati ma'am. Can we please have a thunderous round of applause for lady? Zordar taaliyan, more energy. Ma'am, we are very grateful to you for taking out your precious time and for gracing this evening with your presence. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming on stage Mr. Sanjeev Pawaji, who is MD of Ralston Tires. Can we please have a huge round of applause for gentlemen? Now let's welcome on stage one of our jury members, very respectable personality, Mr. V.K. Goyal ji. He can be the jury member for next year as well, so इनके लिए तालियां थोड़ी जोरदार बजानी चाहिए हमें. Welcome again on stage, sir. And last but not the least, here I welcome on stage our editor-in-chief, Jan Hiteshi Group and U-Turn Times, Sandeep sir. Gentlemen, please come forward. And now, with that, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start with the Young Entrepreneur Awards. बस छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है आप सभी से, हम यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की बात कर रहे हैं. जितना आप अभी इन्हें अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, ये इतना ही और बढ़िया आगे अपना बिजनेस करेंगे आपके अप्रिसिएशन के साथ. एंड द फर्स्ट अवार्ड गोज टू फर्स्ट यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर इज मिस्टर गर्व सलूजा, फाउंडर ऑफ कैंपस बाइट्स, leads a tech-enabled startup revolutionizing campus food ordering. I request gentlemen, please come forward. आप इनके लिए तालियां बजा सकते हैं. He is a winner of multiple national startup competitions at IIMs and IIT. He also represented India globally in CESIM, International Business Finals. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a thunderous round of applause for Mr. Garv Saluja, the young entrepreneur. Congratulations to you for this achievement. Very well done, gentlemen. Congratulations again. And the next young entrepreneur in the list is Mr. Abhishek Upadhyay. Let's give him a big round of applause. Mr. Upadhyay is founder of Step Up HR. He has been leading one of North India's top recruitment firms since 2006. And now with more than 19 years of entrepreneurial experience, he has built lasting partnership across industries, helping business scale with the right talent. Once again, we congratulate Mr. Abhishek Upadhyay, the young entrepreneur. Very well done, gentlemen. I'm sure some of you already know him. इनके कुछ दोस्त होंगे यहाँ पे. And the friends must be really happy that he is getting this achievement here on stage. Congratulations, gentlemen. Have a great evening ahead. The next young entrepreneur in the list is Mr. Anashwar Nagpal. Let's give him a big round of applause. Mr. Nagpal is founder of Color Card, is redefining the world of paints with a vision to elevate space while protecting and preserving architectures of generations. Can we please give him a round of applause? Very well done, gentlemen. Congratulations to you. And the next young entrepreneur in the list is Mr. C.S. Sumit Ghai. He is the founder and managing partner of Lal Ghai and Associates. Can we please give him a round of applause? Also, he is the leading firm of company secretaries and trademark agents, an expert in corporate law, startup advisory, and compliance management. He has guided numerous companies through IPOs, mergers, and recruiting business growth. We congratulate Mr. C.S. Sumit Ghai for this achievement. Very well done, gentlemen. The next young entrepreneur is Ms. Muskan Chawla, founder and principal designer of Modern Muse Designs. That's what we call some real energy. Congratulations to Ms. Chawla. She leads a full-service interior studio offering design, Turkey extension, construction and Vastu consultation with a degree in interior and architecture designs. More than 6 years of experience, she has completed over 40 projects spanning 1.5 lakh square feet since 2023. Once again, we congratulate Ms. Muskan Chawla. Congratulations to you for this achievement. The next young entrepreneur in the list is Mr. Amandeep Singh. Congratulations to young entrepreneur. Can we please give him some round of applause, some energy for gentlemen? He is the driving force behind Aman Steel's industry. He has transformed a once shut unit into a thriving 50 crore enterprise. That is something really worth appreciation. Re-establishing the business in 2018 to honor his grandfather's legacy, he rebuilt it from the ground up, modernizing machinery, assembling a strong team, and earning industry trust. Congratulations to you once again, Mr. Amandeep Singh. Congratulations, gentlemen. The next young entrepreneur in the list is Mr. Anshul Singhania. Congratulations to Mr. Singhania. Can we please give him a round of applause? A second generation entrepreneur, he has transformed Singhania International Limited into a thriving global fasten business. A BITS Pilani engineer and LSE management graduate, he blends academic excellence with a sharp business acumen. Congratulations to you. This is actually a very special moment for all of our awardees, and let me tell you one thing, जब ये award receive कर रहे हैं, ये आप सबकी तरफ सामने देख रहे हैं. अगर इन्हें थोड़े से और मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे नजर आएंगे, इनका ये moment बहुत special हो जाएगा. We can do this for them. Congratulations to you, gentlemen. And the next awardee, the next young entrepreneur in the list is Mr. Avneet Singh, founder of Campus Bites, a tech-enabled startup digitizing campus food ordering, winner of multiple national startup competitions, including IIMs and IIT. A big round of applause for Mr. Avneet Singh. I think he's not around here, so we are moving on with the next name. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's give a huge round of applause to Mr. Raghav Vora. He's just 27. Yet visionary CEO and founder of Chrisen and AI First Venture Studio, shaping across border compliance and finance, healthcare, education and compliance with every product built entirely in-house from the Ippy to Tickle. Can we please give him a big round of applause? We feel so happy to share one of his great achievements, his venture span in the USA and in India, redefining innovation with integrity. Congratulations to you, gentlemen. So all these awardees are getting a trophy along with a recognition certificate and a hamper as a token of appreciation, love and respect. The next one, please welcome Mr. Uday Pratap Singh Garewal, a visionary entrepreneur blending a solid business foundation with a flair for innovation. With remarkable achievement at a young age, he is redefining retail and lifestyle and experiences as the CEO of Paragon Waterfront. A huge round of applause for him. Very well done, gentlemen. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage with a huge round of applause Chef Nelu Kaura, who is founder of Chef Kala, award-winning celebrity chef, Asian Book Record holder and judge of Master Chef Punjabi. Recently honored as Best Food Blogger of the Year and handpicked for prestigious culinary workshop in Italy. Itni sari achievements और इतनी कम तालियां, that is not so fair. Can we please increase some energy for lady? All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next award goes to Mr. Avneet Singh. ये तो लुधियाना की शान है, not just लुधियाना की. I would like to mention one thing here. ये मेरे personal experience से है. One of my international friend from Scotland, he is a huge fan of Baba's. Everybody, can we please give a thunderous round of applause to the name that needs no introduction, Mr. Avneet Singh from Baba's. This legacy, जिसकी शुरुआत हुई थी in year 1962. We all know this is the real taste of Punjab. And we are so very grateful to you for joining us today and for giving these flavors, this taste to Punjabis and to everyone who is in love with Punjabi food. Once again, a huge round of applause for Baba's. Come on, everyone. Congratulations, Mr. Singh and Ms. Singh. And here, we welcome our next young entrepreneur on stage. Now let's have a huge round of applause for Aksha Sethi, a 15-year-old professional baker. सिर्फ 15 साल की उम्र में ये achievement मिलना वाकई में बहुत बड़ी बात है. We need to give her a huge round of applause. She is professional baker and student of Sacred Heart Convent School. Began her baking journey at just 11. We really appreciate your passion, determination, and years of practice. Okay, let me tell you one thing here. Miss Sethi ने आज के लिए भी कुछ special prepare किया है that we are going to showcase all of you by the end of this evening. Congratulations again to you. And the next award, the next young entrepreneur is Miss Mudita, founder of Mudita Creation. Let's have a big round of applause for lady. She started her journey as a home baker and after 4 successful years opened her own bakery in Hoshiarpur. Honored in women empowerment category, she sees this recognition as a tribute to her strength and resilience of women everywhere. Once again, we congratulate Miss Mudita for this achievement, our young entrepreneur. Very well done. Have a great evening ahead. The next young entrepreneur who is going to join us on stage is Mr. Sachin Kumar Sagar, founder of VBU's Language House in Ludhiana. A big round of applause for him. And before we invite our next awardees on stage, ladies and gentlemen, here's the time to welcome our second chief guest of this evening. I request everyone present here, let's have a huge round of applause to welcome on stage Mrs. Amrita Varingji, who is founder and president of NGO Astra Foundation, a social worker and wife of Shri Amrinder Singh Raja Varingji, who is member of parliament. She is known for her grace, warmth and strong presence in social community and circle. जिन जिन लोगों ने मैम को पहले सुना होगा, हम सबको पता है, हम सब पंजाबी हैं, तो मैम का पंजाबी में तो कमांड बहुत अच्छा है ही है. इंग्लिश और हिंदी में भी मैम बहुत प्यारा बोलते हैं, और पंजाबी में तो जब ये बोलते हैं इतना प्यार से बोलते हैं कि जो जो लोग यहाँ पे मौजूद होंगे वो सब इनकी बात सुनते हैं. ऑल्सो एक चीज बताना चाहूंगी मैं, मैम दिलजीत दोसांझ के भी बहुत बड़े फैन हैं. सो मैम वी रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट. जिस तरह से दिलजीत दोसांझ को देख के हर पंजाबी खुश हो जाता है ना, उसी तरह ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. So we are grateful to you for joining us here. Everybody, can we please give her a huge round of applause? We can increase the energy a little more. Thank you for joining us. The next one, I think Sachin Kumar ji अपना award ले चुके हैं स्टेज के ऊपर से. So we are moving on with the next award. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's have a big round of applause to congratulate Dr. Gaganpreet Kaur, who is founder of Gagan Dental and Cosmetic Clinic in Ludhiana. Is a dental artist with more than 18 years of experience in creating confident smiles. A big round of applause for her. She already won so many awards and a keynote speaker. She leads oral hygiene drives with top schools and dedicated to transforming lives through her expertise in dentistry and aesthetics. We wish you all the very best for your future and congratulations for this achievement. Congratulations. The next young entrepreneur in the list is Ms. Ashima Jain, who is a certified clinical dietitian, wellness expert and influencer dedicated to promoting healthier lifestyle. Ladies and gentlemen, she empowers people to make sustainable, informed choices that nourish body and mind both. With her guidance, countless individuals have achieved their health goals through balanced nutrition and practical advice. Congratulations to Ms. Ashima Jain for this achievement. Can we please give her a round of applause? And one special announcement, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very special surprise for all of you after the award ceremony. So जो लोग अपना award receive कर चुके हैं, I request all of you, please stay with us along with all your friends and family members because we have one more surprise for everyone who is present here. With that, we are moving on to the next young entrepreneur. आजकल के टाइम पे ये बहुत ट्रेंडिंग है क्योंकि आजकल के टाइम पे योगा बहुत ट्रेंडिंग है. Now let's give a big round of applause to Yogacharya Sanjeev Tyagi, who is founder of Everest Yoga and Pilates Institute. He is an internationally certified Grandmaster Yoga teacher holding double master's degree in yoga and physical education. He is experienced registered yoga teacher with Yoga Alliance USA. His mission is to create healthy and happy world, and he has trained more than 5,000 students dedicated to bringing yoga and Pilates to global platform. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you, gentlemen. So संजीव जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर अपडेटिंग मी ऑन दैट. आज का दिन हमारा बहुत ही स्पेशल दिन चूज किया है जन हितेशी और यू टर्न टाइम्स ने. आज का दिन यूथ डे भी है. सो एवरीवन, लेट्स हैव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर द यूथ. अगर आप खुद यूथ हैं, अपने लिए तालियां बजाइए. अदरवाइज आई एम श्योर किसी ना किसी यूथ को आप पक्का जानते होंगे जिन्हें आप इंस्पायर करना चाहेंगे. And So let's move on with the next award. The next award goes to Miss Aditi Agarwal, a law graduate turned entrepreneur. She is the founder of Fit Fusion Dance and Fitness Zone. Passionate about fitness, she began her journey with 500-hour yoga teacher training course and now runs a thriving dance academy and gym. Known for her hard work and discipline, she aims to inspire and spread fitness awareness through creative workout. Let's have a big round of applause for Miss Aditi Agarwal. Congratulations to you. Congratulations again, Miss Agarwal. You know, we are really happy to see कि हमारा यूथ फिटनेस और हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल की तरफ कितना जा रहा है. एज इन अर हिंदू आयुर्वेदा दे से जैसा खाए अन्न वैसा होए मन, और वो भी कहते हैं कि तंदुरुस्त शरीर में ही तंदुरुस्त मन का विकास होता है. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है हेल्थ और न्यूट्रिशन और फिटनेस की तरफ हमारा यूथ काफी इंस्पायर्ड है. दैट इज रियली समथिंग वर्थ अप्रिसिएशन. विद दैट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अब जब हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल हो और आप अच्छे कॉन्फिडेंट दिखते भी हो तो थोड़ी स्टाइल की बात होनी भी जरूरी होती है. हियर कम्स आवर नेक्स्ट अवॉर्डी. प्लीज वेलकम ऑन स्टेज मिस Samaira Gupta, the creative force behind Samaira Gupta Couture. A fearless mompreneur, she turns fabric into timeless trend-forward stories. Blending tradition with innovation, her designs are a true celebration of self-expression and contemporary style. Let's have a big round of applause for Miss Samaira Gupta. And I must compliment you. You are looking absolutely gorgeous in this design. Everybody, let's give a round of applause to Miss Samaira Gupta. Congratulations. Have a great evening ahead. The next one in the list is Yashika Jain, founder of Nari Care, turned personal tragedy into a mission to create safe menstrual product. ये बहुत ही खास हैं और इनकी एक्चुअली तारीफ होनी चाहिए जोरदार तालियों के साथ. After losing a loved one to cancer, his research revealed harmful chemicals in conventional sanitary pads, and determined to protect women's health, he developed cancer-free, rash-free alternatives. This is just the beginning of his journey to empower society and fight against cancer through innovation. जो इनका विजन है, उस विजन के हिसाब से थोड़ी सी और तालियां तो इनके लिए बनती हैं. Congratulations. And here we thank Mr. Sanjeev Pawaji. Sir, I will call you again on stage. Thank you very much. And to present the next set of awards, I now invite Mr. J.R. Singalji to please join me on stage. Let's have a big round of applause for gentlemen. Now let's call our next awardee on stage. The next awardee is Miss Aditi Dwivedi, founder of NAPPAD Solution Private Limited, who began her journey in college with a mission to improve menstrual health. She developed natural cloth pad from banana fiber, rooted in the belief that ab kapda bhi surakshit hai. This vision is so worth appreciation. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, can we please give her a thunder sound of applause? Her venture empowers women to return to safe traditional practice while supporting farmers by turning banana waste into a value. Congratulations to you, and here comes our next awardee. Ladies and gentlemen, our next awardee is Mr. Karan Setia, founder of Roots and Relish, has been serving Punjab and surrounding state for 8 years with exceptional food and stunning event decor. Known for his enthusiasm, teamwork, and fresh ideas, he brings passion into excellence to every project. With warm personality and a dynamic approach, he thrives in creating memorable experience through collaboration and creativity. Once again, let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Karan Setia. The next young entrepreneur in the list is Miss Ishpreet Kaur, founder of iCaur Studios. She is an award-winning interior designer with more than 22 years of experience transforming residential, commercial, and healthcare spaces. Congratulations to Miss Kaur again. Her designs are a blend of timeless elegance with functional innovation alongside a signature line for metal and art decor. She is also co-founder of Soulful Impressions, working as an internationally certified image consultant and wellness coach. Once again, let's give a big round of applause to Miss Ishpreet Kaur. Congratulations to you for this achievement. Congratulations again. Have a great evening ahead. The next award in the series goes to Mrs. Priyanka Dua, who is founder of Clay Playway Preschool, winner of IDB Best Playway School Award in Punjab 2025. Has turned her passion into thriving profession. A strong and inspiring leader, she is dedicated to nurturing young minds and guiding students towards their dream. With a blend of passion, balance, and gratitude, she creates an environment where children can flourish and learn to become a joyful journey. Once again, we congratulate Mrs. Priyanka Dua for this achievement. Very well done, ma'am. And I request all our prestigious guests present here, please give her a big round of applause.
I've been drinking too much for sure.
Have a great evening ahead, ma'am. The next award goes to Miss Rajdeep Kaur, who is founder and center head of Brain O Brain Kids Academy, Model Town, Ludhiana. She is dedicated to empowering young minds aged 4 to 14, and she is a certified parenting coach. She helps families to build emotional connections and harmony at home. For this vision, I think we need to give her some more appreciation. So here, once again, we congratulate Miss Rajdeep Kaur for this achievement. The next awardee is Dr. Shivani Bhatia, an esteemed Ayurvedic consultant and aesthetic physician, over 15 years of expertise in holistic healthcare, on a mission to make advanced skincare affordable for all. She is pioneered bringing high-end treatments within public coach. She is passionate about her accessibility. She is actively involved in philanthropic wellness initiatives. Let's once again give a big round of applause to congratulate Dr. Shivani Bhatia. And here we call the next awardee. Okay, जिस चीज के लिए ना अवार्ड किया जा रहा है, I think this is going to make many eyes twinkling, क्योंकि हम बात कर रहे हैं शेफ राम दुआ, founder of New Delhi Chole Bhature and Restaurant. He is a passionate culinary expert, recently honored by the National Skill Development Corporation Government of India 2025. Inspired by his mother's cooking, he turned childhood lessons into a thriving culinary career. अगर हम बात करें पंजाब में छोले भटूरों की और किसी की जो अपने मदर की जर्नी से इंस्पायर होकर उन्हें बहुत ही अच्छे वे से आगे प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक ये तो कुछ काबिल तारीफ बात है. तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए तो बनती हैं. सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू शेफ राम दुआ. The next award goes to Ms. Riya Arora, who is director at Mac Jalandhar and Ludhiana, is a visionary leader shaping Punjab's creative future, and she is pioneered among India's 40 under 40 in AVGC sector. She is driving force in AVGC, XR, and media and entertainment industry. Under her leadership, Mac is transforming Punjab's youth into skilled global creative professionals. We congratulate once again Ms. Riya Arora. I think by the end of this award ceremony, we have to give two special awards, one to the gentleman on the first table. Sir, I really appreciate your energy. जी मैं आप ही की बात कर रही हूँ. जी, इन्होंने सबके लिए तालियां बजाई हैं and also the front row. Gentlemen, you have great energy, all of you. बाकी सबकी तरफ से 2-4 तालियां भी नहीं आ रही हैं. In fact, I am surprised to see. एक बार फिर से मैं बताना चाहूंगी, इनमें से काफी सारे आपके दोस्त होंगे और जान पहचान के. Thank you very much, ma'am. So सबके लिए प्लीज दिल खोल के तालियां बजाएं. The next award goes to Mr. Suresh Dhawan, who is founder of Ish Travelicious, holds a BSc in Airline Tourism and Hospitality Management, began his entrepreneur journey during college, and from a student-led idea, he built a globally trusted travel brand and became the youngest state head Punjab for the Tour Operators Association of India. Recently, he is honored with the Best Travel Entrepreneur South Asia Excellence Awards, and he continues to inspire with his journey and achievements. Congratulations to you, gentlemen. The next award goes to Kyansh Chopra, who is just 4 years old. Ladies and gentlemen, अब तो maximum energy दिखानी बनती है. Kyansh Arora, just 4 years old, is already an accomplished actor, influencer, artist, and the youngest skater in his category. He has worked with a renowned brand like Sebamed, First Cry, Mother Sparsh, currently preparing for the under 6 district level skating competition. He continues to inspire with his talent and dedication. और इनके साथ इन्हें join करेंगी his mother, Mrs. Isha Chopra. Congratulations once again to young gentlemen. इनके लिए तो मैं खुद जोरदार तालियां बजाऊंगी मेरी तरफ से. अगेन आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है, जिन्होंने अपना अवार्ड रिसीव कर लिया है, आप प्लीज सभी यहीं पे बने रहें हमारे साथ. वी हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल सरप्राइज जो आप सबके सामने हम थोड़ी देर में रिवील करने वाले हैं. बट फॉर नाउ दिस मोमेंट इज फॉर मिस्टर चोपड़ा, मिस्टर Kyansh Chopra. Everybody, we have to make it grand for him. Come on. When I read the script और जब मैंने ये सारे हमारे अवार्डीज के नाम पढ़े थे और जब इनका एज का देखा, तब मुझे लगा जूरी ने वाकई में सच में कमाल का काम किया है. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हमारे सभी जूरी मेंबर्स के लिए भी हो जाए. And here comes the next award. Next award goes to Mr. Abhinav Sarna, founder of Bollywood Dreams Dance and Fitness Studio, Dugri and South City. He dedicated 17 years to transforming lives through fitness. More than just building physique, he has empowered people to develop confidence, willpower, and healthier lifestyle. A constant force in ever-changing industry, he continues to inspire and guide stronger, fitter community for years after years. A big round of applause to congratulate Mr. Abhinav. Congratulations. Here comes the next awardee. The next award goes to Ms. Ritu Chandna, co-founder of Vitamin G and director at IPC Industry Promotion Council, is a powerhouse entrepreneur and 2 times Guinness World Record holder. With more than 12 years in corporate giants like Citibank and HDFC, she now leads venture across digital, retail and hospitality. 2 बार गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है इन्होंने. थोड़ी 2-4 सेकंड तो इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बनती हैं. Again, congratulations to Ms. Ritu. And here comes our next awardee. The next young entrepreneur is Mr. Bhuvesh Mahendru, the driving force behind Ganga Developers, is an optimistic and innovative leader committed to Congratulations to you, ma'am. Committed to quality construction, known for delivering project on time. He ensures high quality at affordable price and personally involved in every stage of each project. That is something really worth appreciation. He leads with the hands-on dedication at Ganga Developers. He actively promotes green and sustainable building practices. So once again, on the behalf of the entire team, we congratulate Mr. Bhuvesh Mahendru. Congratulations to you, sir. The next award goes to Mr. Manish Kumar Kaushal, who is a qualified gemologist, is a respected name in the jewelry industry for his expertise in quality consultation and certification. As a founder of DHC, International Gem Lab and Institute, Punjab's only center for diamond and gemstone testing. So once again, we congratulate Mr. Manish Kumar Kaushal for this achievement. The next award goes to Mr. Karan Kochar. So on his behalf, Ms. Geeta will come on stage to receive this. He is the driving force behind SARCnet, a name that has thrived for 29 years in the textile and garment manufacturing ecosystem. While not a direct garment manufacturer, his brand has mastered the art of navigating the apparel production cycle, craving and powerful niche in the industry. So once again, congratulations to the whole entire team of Mr. Karan Kochar. And congratulations to him also. Anyways, आप उनके लिए तालियां बजा सकते हैं. I'm sure आपका प्यार उन तक जरूर पहुंचेगा. Here comes last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, फिर से सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है जिनको अवार्ड मिल चुका है आप प्लीज बने रहें. ये हमारा आखिरी अवार्ड है. थोड़ी देर में स्पेशल सरप्राइज हम रिवील करने वाले हैं. This one goes to exceptionally talented 15-year-old singing sensation. अब काफी लोगों ने आज का साउंड चेक सुना होगा. She's just 15 years old. Ladies and gentlemen, from being first runner-up of Superstar Singer 3 on Sony TV in 2024 to winning All India Devotional Competition at Mata Vaishno Devi in 2023, her achievements are nothing short of remarkable. A familiar face on national television, she has shined in shows like Tare Zameen Par, Swarna Swar Bharat, and Saregama Little Champs. Let's make some noise if we can, or let's give a huge round of applause to Lysel Rai, the young talent. With that, once again, congratulations to all young entrepreneurs. हमारे अवार्ड्स कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. एक बार जोरदार तालियां दोनों हाथ ऊपर करके सभी अवार्डीज के लिए. एक हमारी ग्रुप फोटो होने वाली है अवार्डीज के साथ. आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल अवार्डीज प्लीज स्टे बैक हियर. जस्ट इन अ मोमेंट वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल यू ऑल ऑन स्टेज. सो लेट्स हैव अ ग्रुप फोटो विद ऑल द अवार्डीज. आप सभी अपनी ट्रॉफी और अपनी रिकॉग्निशन साथ लाकर प्लीज हमें स्टेज पे ज्वाइन करें. अवार्डीज आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू जॉइन अस ऑन स्टेज. और बाकी सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है प्लीज आप सभी अभी यहीं पे बने रहें. वी हैव अ फ्यू मोर थिंग्स इन द इवनिंग. डिनर इसके बाद यहीं पे है. Okay, so to capture this whole moment, some of you will have to stand here in the front row. Okay, dignitaries will be on the stage. All the awardees will come forward. सारे अवॉर्डीज सामने की तरफ आ जाएं। Okay, those who are standing here, can we make a semi circle ताकि आप सभी फ्रेम में आ जाएं? सेमी सर्कल बना लें हम, एक थोड़ा थोड़ा आप आगे आ लो, थोड़ा सा आगे, हाँ। ओके, जिन्हें अपने आप पे प्राउड फील हो रहा है इस मोमेंट पे, यू कैन शो अ बिगर स्माइल और आई विल गिव यू अ काउंट ऑफ 3, यू कैन गिव अ cheer to yourself, okay? 3, 2, 1. Congratulations to young entrepreneurs. Please make some noise for yourself. Thank you, awardees. Please take your seats. Thank you, dignitaries. All right, awardees. I'm so sorry, but we have some certain time restriction. All awardees are requested, please take your seats. We are just left with 5 more minutes. Uske baad our chief guests are here and everyone is here. Then you can click all your favorite pictures. ऑल राइट अवॉर्डीज, थैंक यू सो मच। अब हमारे चीफ गेस्ट हैं, वो आज की इस इवनिंग के लिए कुछ शब्द कहेंगे। आप सबसे मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, आप सभी से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, हमारे जो अवॉर्डीज स्टेज पे हैं, आई एम सो सॉरी बट एवरीबडी इज ईगरली वेटिंग टू हियर अ फ्यू वर्ड्स फ्रॉम आवर चीफ गेस्ट। यस मैम, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू प्लीज से अ फ्यू वर्ड्स। काफी सारे हमारे प्रेस्टिजियस गेस्ट हैं जो आपके मुंह से कुछ शब्द सुनना चाहते हैं, सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू प्लीज एड्रेस द गैदरिंग।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to be amongst you all, amongst the greatest achievers, the young entrepreneurs of the country. And I'd like to thank Jan Hiteshi, U-Turn, Trident Group, Ralston Tires, Agi Firma, I'd like to thank one and all to be here. So, you know, it's a very long journey. I'll take 5 minutes of you all if you, I'd like to talk to you about this. India used to contribute about 24% to the world's GDP. And when British left us, we dropped to 1%. And today we stand at 7 to 7.5% and still lot to achieve and a long way to go. There was a time when banks were just limited to the wealthy few of India. The money was limited to the wealthy few of India, and then came the nationalization of banks when money reached from the wealthy to every rural household of India. And today we stand here in the startup world and so many young people achieving new heights. बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ। ਇੱਕ ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਵਾਰਡਸ ਸਿਰਫ ਵੈਲਥੀ ਫੈਮਲੀਜ਼ ਤੱਕ ਲਿਮਿਟਡ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ 50% ਤਾਂ ਵਿਮਨ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਚਿਹਰੇ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਫੈਮਲੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਐਸੋਸੀਏਟਡ ਨਹੀਂ। You know, this is the greatest achievement of our country right now. Greatest achievement, and I would specially want to thank all the women who were here. I am so proud of you. Very proud of you. And you know, success is not a solo journey. ਕਾਮਯਾਬੀ ਸਿਰਫ ਜਿੱਤਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਦੀ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ। ਕਾਮਯਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਦਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਪਾਊਸ ਦਾ, ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੈਂਟੋਰ ਦਾ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਨਸਪਾਇਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਸ ਜਰਨੀ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਐਂਡ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਹੋਰ ਕਿਹਦਾ ਸਾਥ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੰਪੈਟੀਟਰ ਦਾ, ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦੁਸ਼ਮਣ ਦਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਰੋਜ਼ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਸੌਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਰੋਜ਼ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਪੁਸ਼ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਹੋਰ ਬੈਟਰ ਕਰਨਾ, ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੰਘਣਾ। I would like to thank all your competitors who brought you here. ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ oh my God, ਇਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੰਘ ਗਿਆ, I have to do better. Trust me, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਯੋਗਦਾਨ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇਸ ਜਰਨੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ ਹੈਲਥ, ਫਿਟਨੈਸ, ਫੂਡ, ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਛ ਬਹੁਤ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਅਚੀਵਮੈਂਟਸ ਪਾਈਆਂ। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਯੁੱਗ ਬਦਲਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੈ। ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲਾਸਟ ਯੁੱਗ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਉਹ .coms ਦਾ ਸੀ, .com ਯੁੱਗ ਸੀ। ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲਾ AI ਦਾ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰੂੰਗੀ ਔਰ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਨਾਲ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਨੂੰ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਵੀ ਕਰੂੰਗੀ। We are the largest democracy in the world and exponentially growing economy in the world. ਪਰ ਇਸ ਰੇਸ ਨੂੰ ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਤੇਜ਼ੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ GDP ਦਾ, ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੀ GDP ਦਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਬਣੀਏ, ਆਪਦੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਨਵੀਆਂ ਉਚਾਈਆਂ ਤੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਈਏ, ਤਾਂ trust me, we have to be a part of this AI journey. ਔਰ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਲੰਬੀ ਗੇਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ 3 ਸਾਲ ਨੂੰ, 4 ਸਾਲ ਨੂੰ, 5 ਸਾਲ ਨੂੰ। ਨੋ, ਇਸ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨੇ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ 2 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨੀ ਤੇਜ਼ੀ ਨਾਲ ਬਦਲਣਾ ਹੈ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਸ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਨੇ AI ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ 2 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਦਮ ਰੱਖ ਲਿਆ, there will be no looking back. ਅੱਜ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਬਿਲੀਅਨਰਸ AI ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਪਿਛਲੇ 100 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਡੇਟਾ ਕੱਢੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵੈਲਥ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਐਰਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਇੰਨੀ ਵੈਲਥ ਕਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਅੱਜ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। 91 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਵੀ ਬਿਲੀਅਨਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਅੱਜ 250 ਬਿਲੀਅਨਰਸ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ 2023 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 75 ਨਵੇਂ ਐਡ ਹੋਏ ਹੈ। ਐਂਡ ਦਿਸ ਨੰਬਰ ਇਜ਼ ਗੋਇੰਗ ਟੂ ਗਰੋ ਵੈਰੀ ਵੈਰੀ ਫਾਸਟ। ਬਟ ਆਈ ਵੁੱਡ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਯੂ ਆਲ to please look towards AI and drive your journey towards AI. When a person runs a company, he's not just running the company. He's running many households of his employees. He is the part of the country's, his city's GDP. He's employing many, many people and he's helping in many, many ways. Make sure while you are earning for your family, while you are leaping new heights, don't forget to give back to the community, to the society which shaped you and which made you reach on this stage. And may you achieve many, many more laurels. Very, very happy for all of you. May God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I request you please join me on stage. We would like to present you a memento as a token of appreciation, respect and love. So, ma'am को memento present करने के लिए we invite on stage Director of Janhiteshi, Mr. Sanjay Sharma ji. I also request Mrs. Komal Sharma, who is wife of Mr. Sandeep Sharma, Mr. V.K. Goyal, one of our jury members, and Geeta ma'am from Janhiteshi. Geeta ma'am ने, कोमल मैम ने और संजय सर ने इस इवेंट को सक्सेस बनाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत की है. आई थिंक नाउ दिस इज आवर टाइम. अगर आप सबने इस इवेंट को एंजॉय किया है, एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजा के इनका हमें शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए फॉर दिस वंडरफुल इनिशिएटिव.
I think I forgot to acknowledge Mr. Sanjeev Arora ji. I would like to congratulate you on your recent success and would like to thank you for being here and inspiring our young entrepreneurs toward them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, ladies and gentlemen, हमारे चीफ गेस्ट मिसेज अमृता वरिंग जी, इनकी प्रेजेंस के लिए, आप सबको मोटिवेट करने के लिए, and for her time, I request everyone present here, can we please give her a huge round of applause? Thank you again, ma'am, for joining us. We wish you an amazing evening ahead. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to call on stage our chief guest, very respectable personality, Shri Sanjeev Arora ji. ये एक वो लीडर हैं जो यंगस्टर्स के भी उतने ही फेवरेट हैं जितने की एक्सपीरियंस जनरेशन के. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, जितना आप इनसे प्यार करते हैं, जितना आप इनकी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, उतनी जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं फॉर नन अदर देन श्री संजीव अरोड़ा जी. और जब तक सर स्टेज पे ना आ जाएं, तालियों की आवाज कम नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो पर्सनली आई एम एक्चुअली अ बिग फैन. द वे यू इंस्पायर, जिस तरह से आप इंस्पायर करते हो और जैसे आप इंस्पायर करते हो, आई डोंट थिंक कोई और नेता आपकी तरह से इतना इंस्पायरिंग हो सकता है. सो थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस.
गुड इवनिंग, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार. ਇਹ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਸਪੀਚਾਂ 'ਚ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ. Amrita ji, I am going to acknowledge you first. I am honored to be sharing stage with you. Thank you for all the kind words which you said. ਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਜਾਇਜ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬੁਲਾਤਾ, ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਸੁਣਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੇਗਾ. You speak so well and it's always pleasure meeting you and my colleague Raja Vading, who has been my colleague in Parliament. It is also pleasure meeting him always. Jury members, you did a great job. You couldn't have done better. 4 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 15 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਬੇਟੀ, all the way you went up the ladder. So, I don't know, Sandeep, you should define young word. सारे ही यंग है. What is young entrepreneur? Does it mean young in age? Does it mean when he started his business journey? You have to define it. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ KFC ਦਾ ਫਾਊਂਡਰ 65 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਉਮਰ 'ਚ ਉਹਨੇ ਕੰਮ ਚਾਲੂ ਕੀਤਾ. So he should be called young because he started at that age. ਮੈਂ ਪੱਕਾ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਅਗਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਨੋਮੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਭਰਨੀ ਹੈ. So that I don't have to stand in queue and distribute. ਇੱਕ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਅਵਾਰਡ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਸੀ ਇੰਨੇ ਅਵਾਰਡ ਦੇਣ ਲਈ. ਠੀਕ. But congratulations, Sandeep, on your venture. You do a great job. We keep on looking forward to his post. ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਦੀ ਪੋਸਟ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਜਨ ਤੇਸ਼ੀ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਹੈ. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਧਮਾਕਾ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਾ. ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ. ਕੋਈ ਬ੍ਰੇਕਿੰਗ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਹੈ. He is one person who gives Ludhiana breaking news. Keep it up. We wish you all the best and we congratulate you on holding such a good event. Congratulations all the award winners. But let me tell you, this is the beginning. Wish you all the best. Keep it up. There are many awards to come, not only in the way of trophies and certificates, but in the way of the satisfaction which you will get by keep on doing what you are doing. ਇੱਥੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਕੁਲੀਗ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ. JR ਸਿੰਗਲ ਜੀ, ਰਜੇਸ਼ ਅਗਰਵਾਲ, ਕੁਲਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਰਾਹੁਲ ਤੇ ਰਜਨੀਸ਼ ਊਜਾ ਜੀ. ਹੁਣੇ ਨੀਰਜ ਤੀਜਾ ਸੀ. I don't know if he is still there. But ਹੈ ਜੀ. And ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੈਂ ਨਾਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿੱਤੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ important ਹੈ. But one thing which you did nice was young entrepreneur hai, and you got the youngest IAS officer to be here. Pragati. This is the best part what you did. She is really good. I have attended meetings with her. You will see that she will reach great heights. All the best, Pragati. And thank you for being here today. It's always pleasure meeting you too. ਇਹ ਜਿਊਰੀ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਦੇ. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕੰਗ, I just met along with Mr. VK Goyal 2 days back. They both are representing LMA and it was very fruitful discussion 2 days back, and they are taking LMA to greater heights. Ashwani Kumar, he is chairman one of our committees which we have recently made, 24 industrial sector committees. SC Ranalji, PJ Singh. I acknowledge their acumen and selecting the candidates. मैं ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ I won't like to make it any longer, but once again, thanks for having me over. All the best, and once again, congratulations to the winners. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. I request you आप स्टेज पे बने रहें हमारे साथ. एक छोटा सा टोकन ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन एंड रिस्पेक्ट we would like to present you.
संजीव सर, आपने बोला कि हमने आपके साथ जस्टिफाई नहीं किया कि अमृता जी को पहले बुलवा दिया. सो हमारी भारत की परंपरा है लेडीज फर्स्ट, सो कैसे उनको पीछे कर सकते थे. सो
Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about our chief guest. इनके लिए तालियां 2-4 नहीं, जोरदार होनी चाहिए. We are very grateful to you, sir, for gracing this evening with your presence. Thank you very much, sir. And now, to address all our prestigious guests who are gathered here to celebrate the Young Entrepreneur Awards, may I please call on stage with a huge round of applause, IAS Pragati ma'am. Ma'am, I request you please join us on stage and say a few words for this evening. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming on stage our guest of honor, IAS Pragati ma'am. Ma'am, please say a few words.
I would like to extend a very good evening to Mr. Sanjeev Arora ji, Industries and Commerce, Investment Promotion and NII Affairs Minister Punjab, Mrs. Anita Vading ji, Sandeep Sharma ji, and as stated here, the fabulous 5 jury members, all the young entrepreneurs and their friends and family present here. A very good evening. It's a joy to see so many young entrepreneurs here today. You are the ones turning ideas into actions and dreams into reality. Starting something new is never easy. It takes hard work, courage, and patience. But every step you take builds not just your business and careers, but also our community and the country. Keep learning, keep trying, and don't be afraid of mistakes. They are the part of the journey, and you are examples of that. Congratulations to all of you. I wish you success and happiness in everything you do. Thank you so much.
And thanks to you, ma'am, for joining us. Now we would like to present you a token of appreciation, respect, and love. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, please give a huge round of applause to IAS Pragati, ma'am. We are grateful to you for your presence, ma'am. And now for this moment, ladies and gentlemen, मुझे आप सबकी सपोर्ट चाहिए. हम सभी यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर अवार्ड को एंजॉय कर पाए हमारी एस्टीम जूरी की वजह से. वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू सर. और जिन ने एक्चुअल में इन सबके अवार्डीज के नाम को सुन के जिन्हें एक्चुअली खुशी फील हुई है, प्राउड फील हुआ है, उन सबसे मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं फॉर एस्टीम जूरी. लेट्स गिव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू मिस्टर VK गोयल जी. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर for your support, health, for guidance, and for being the main pillar of Young Entrepreneur Awards. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a thunderous round of applause for Mr. VK Goyal ji. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here's the time to conclude this evening. I request Mr. VK Goyal ji, please give vote of thanks to everyone present here.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Sandeep has just asked me to do a very pleasant duty for a vote of thanks to all of you. I am indeed grateful on behalf of Jan Hiteshi and U-Turn Times for our Honorable Cabinet Minister Shri Sanjeev Arora ji, Mrs. Amrita Vading, Madam Pragati, and many senior businessmen and industrialists, award winners, their families, and the guests. My grateful thanks on behalf of Jan Hiteshi and U-Turn Times that all of you could make to this program, and that too in the later part of the day. I know that we are almost nearing 10 o'clock around this time. But without your presence, the function could not have been complete. Our grateful thanks to all of you. especially Roda Saab. He came all the way from Chandigarh. I'm aware that he left Chandigarh at 6 o'clock and tried to be here before 8 o'clock as he had promised. And I must admire his punctuality. He's always on time. Wherever you go, wherever he calls you, you can never find him on the wrong side. I think this is something very, very... Similarly, Amrita Madam Ji, she's also always very supportive. I listened to her for the first time at Guru Nanak Bhavan when the children who scored more than 90% of marks from various schools were honored. And she was, I think, someone who really mesmerized everybody through her speech. She was excellent. In fact, everybody appreciated. And to date, whomever I meet and those who were present around that day, always have a word of praise for you, ma'am, that you are a wonderful speaker. You are a very, very smiling face all the time. We have never seen you in a different mood at any time. And this is the reputation that you enjoy, that you are... yes, sure. And everybody has a word of praise for you that you are as comfortable while speaking in Punjabi, Hindi or English, no matter where you are, you choose the language appropriately and then you deliver the way a very, very seasoned speaker does. And the knowledge that you carry about the economy, world economy, and what's holding in the future, I think those things are very uncommon with many of us, but then you are a wonderful human being, ma'am. I must appreciate and appreciate everybody else being here. Thank you for your patience. I know many of the people here sitting in the hall have been here since 6:30 p.m. So thank you very much, one and all. And we also thank Jan Hiteshi and U-Turn newspaper that they have taken a lot of effort. They were, in fact, after our blood that you must complete your job on time, because we were working even as late as 3 days ago to complete the list, to prune the list to the level that we should do justice to what we are doing. So with these words, I thank all of you and hope to meet you on such occasions more often in the future as well. Thank you very much, sir. And संजीव अरोड़ा जी को मैं दोबारा से उनका धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं, और इसी प्रकार से अमृता मैडम जी का और प्रगति जी का, that you took your very valuable time and stayed with us for a long time and encouraged all of us to do better in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And now to complete the celebrations, ladies and gentlemen, अब बारी है केक सेरेमनी की. The best part is ये केक जिन्होंने prepare किया है, she is one of the awardees. She is just 15 years old. This cake is prepared by Aksha Sethi. I request our team members, please bring the cake here. For the cake ceremony, I request our chief guest, Shri Sanjeev Arora ji. I request Amrita ma'am and Sandeep sir from Jan Hiteshi U-Turn Time. आप तीनों से मेरी request है, please come forward for the cake ceremony. I once again request our chief guest, Shri Sanjeev Arora ji. I also request our chief guest, Shri Amrita Varing ji, IAS Pragati ma'am. I request V.K. Goyal ji and Sandeep sir. आप सभी please आगे आएं to begin the celebrations. एक बार फिर से मैं highlight करना चाहूंगी, ये जो केक हम अभी कट करने जा रहे हैं, this is prepared by one of our awardees. She is just 15 years old, Aksha Sethi, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार फिर से इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. And I request DJ Raj, can we please have a Pappy number in the background? Congratulations to the whole entire team of Jan Hiteshi U-Turn Times. Congratulations to all young awardees, all young entrepreneurs. And a big thanks to all our dignitaries for joining us today.
Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart.
That's the song for all the young entrepreneurs. Again, congratulations to all young entrepreneurs, ladies and gentlemen. Celebration abhi complete nahi hua hai. Now for the entertainment part, one of our awardees. Again, she's just 15 years old. Laisel Rai, she is going to perform live for all of you. खास बात ये है कि इन्हें हांगकांग से यहाँ पे जो लेके आए हैं मिस्टर सुरेंद्र सिंह जौहरा जी. इन्होंने इस टैलेंट को ढूंढा. वैसे जौहरी ही हीरो की परख करते हैं सर. So gentlemen, he brought her here. वो आज आप सबके सामने परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं स्टेज के ऊपर. I request once again Mr. Surendra Singh Jora ji, if you can please come forward once.